Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Limits 2. Second class limits. Some problems are there. First one, limit x tends to 0, kth root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x. Kth root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x. What is the value? Some formula is there. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power n minus 1 by x is equal to n. How to write this problem? Limit x tends to 0. This can be written as 1 plus x whole power 1 by k minus 1 by x. The two are same method. That is, answer is 1 by k using this formula. Second one. Limit x tends to 1, 2x minus 3 into root of x minus 1 by 2x plus 3 into x minus 1. X minus 1. And some formula is there. Limit x tends to 1, x power n minus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to n. First we can apply, put x is equal to 1, this part. Put x is equal to 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1 by, put x is equal to 1, 2 plus 3, 5 into limit x tends to 1, root x can be written as x power 1 by 2 minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by 5. What is the value of this term? Limit x tends to 1, x power n minus 1 by x minus 1 value is n. What is the value of this term? 1 by 2. That is minus 1 by 10 is answer. That is minus 1 by 10. Third one. Limit x tends to 0, cube root of 1 plus sin x minus cube root of 1 minus sin x by x. In this model, x tends to 0, then sin x is identically into x. We can write sin x plus we can use x. Limit x tends to 0, this can be written as 1 plus x whole power 1 by 3. This can be written as 1 minus x whole power 1 by 3 by x. This is 0 by 0 form. For example, put x is equal to 0, 1 power 1 by 3 minus 1 power 1 by 3, 0 by 0. 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity using L'Hospital rule. What is the meaning by L'Hospital rule? Derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. After that apply, put x equal to 0. What is the derivative of this term? 1 by 3, 1 plus x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 1 minus x whole power minus 2 by 3. What is the derivative of minus x minus? This can be plus by. What is the derivative of x? 1. After that, what is the limit? Limit x tends to 0. Apply 0. This can be 1. This can be 1. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. What is the answer? 2 by 3. This is shortcut method. 2 by 3 is answer. Fourth one. Limit x tends to 5, x power k minus 5 power k by x minus 5 is equal to 500. What is the value of k? X power k minus 5 power k by x minus 5 is equal to 500. Then k. Options is there. First one 3, second one 4, third one 5, fourth one 6. Find the value of k. How to find? Limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a is equal to, one formula is there, n into a power n minus 1, n into a power n minus 1. Apply this problem, k into 5 power k minus 1 equal to 500. After that, option verification method. Option verification method. What is the first option? 3. K equal to 3. Apply this place. 3 into 5 power 3 minus 1 to 5 square is equal to 500. 5 square 25 into 3 75. Not equal to. It is not possible. Second one. K is equal to 4. 4 into 5 power 4 minus 1 3 is equal to 500. What is the 5 cube? 125. 125 into 5 400. K is equal to 4 is correct answer. K is equal to 4 is correct answer. Fifth one. Limit x tends to 1 root of x square minus 1 plus root of x minus 1 by root of x square minus 1. Limit x tends to 1, divided these two terms, cancel 1, plus divide these two terms, one term is gets cancelled, by denominator is only one term. This can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1. X minus 1 gets cancelled, remaining term is x plus 1. Put x is equal to 1, we can write 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 2. Sixth one. Limit x tends to a power x minus x power a by x power x minus a power a is equal to minus 1. Find a. Find a. Put x is equal to a power a minus a power a 0. A power a minus a power a 0. It is in the form of 0 by 0 using L'Hospital rule. What is the meaning by L'Hospital rule? Derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. What is the derivative of a power x? A power x log a. What is the derivative of x power a? A into x power a minus 1 by what is the derivative of x power x? X power x into 1 plus log x. Derivative of constant term 0. Not right. Limit x tends to a. Put x is equal to a, apply. A power a log a minus a into a power a minus 1 by a power a into 1 plus log a is equal to minus 1. A power a log a minus a into a power a minus 1 is nothing but a power a by, it is in the form of a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. What is the denominator? A power a 1 plus log a. is equal to minus 1. Numerator a power a is common. What is the remaining term? Log a minus 1. Denominator a power a into 1 plus log a is equal to minus 1. A power a gets cancelled. Cross multiplication. Log a minus 1 equal to minus 1 minus log a. 2 log a is equal to 0. What is the value of a? 1. Log 1 is equal to 0, but a equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Seventh problem. Limit x tends to 0, x into 1 minus root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x square into sin inverse x cube. X tends to 0, then sin inverse x cube is approximately x cube. Limit x tends to 0, x into 1 minus root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x square. Sin cube x cube can be written as x cube. 1 x gets cancelled. This is x square. Then put x is equal to sin theta. 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos theta. Put x is equal to sin theta. What is the limit of x? 0. What is the limit of theta? Also 0. Limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus root of 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos theta by this is cos theta into sin square theta. One formula is there. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos mx by x square is equal to m square by 2. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos mx by x square equal to m square by 2 is one of the formulas. Limit theta tends to 0, numerator and denominator divide and multiply with theta square. 1 minus cos theta by theta square by cos theta into sin square theta by theta square. Coefficient is 1. What is the limit of this term? 1 by 2. It is in the form of limit x tends to 0, sin square theta by theta square. Value is 1. Put theta equal to 0, 1. That is the answer is 1 by 2. Next one. Limit x tends to 0, cos 4x plus a cos 2x plus b by x power 4 is finite. Then a comma b. Some options are there. First option 5 comma 2. Second option minus 5 comma minus 4. Third option minus 4 comma 3. Fourth option 4 comma 5. Put x equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. Cos 0. 1. Okay. Numerator is 0. Put x is equal to 0. 1 plus a plus b equal to 0. It is finite. 0. Put x equal to 0. Denominator is 0. 0 by 0 form. 1 plus a plus b equal to 0. Apply options. Option verification method. What is the first option? 5 comma 2. Not possible. Second option, not possible. Third option, 1 minus 4 plus 3. 0. It is finite. The numerator is also 0. But apply to this one. Okay. It is finite. The numerator equal to 0. Next one. Ninth one. Limit x tends to 1 secant pi by 2 into x log x. Limit x tends to 1 log x by secant x is nothing but 1 by cos. How to write? Cos pi by 2x. Cos pi by 2x. After that, limit x tends to 1 log 1 0. Cos pi by 2 0. 0 by 0 form using L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 1. What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. By what is the derivative of denominator? Pi by 2 minus sin x. Put minus sin pi by 2x. Put x is equal to 1. That is 1 by minus pi by 2. Reciprocal. Minus 2 by pi is answer. Minus 2 by pi. 10th one. Limit x tends to 0, root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x plus x square by 3 power x minus 1. Put x is equal to 0 is nothing but 1. 1 minus 1 0. 3 power 0 1. 1 minus 1 0. It is in the form of 0 by 0 using L'Hospital rule. What is the derivative of this term? 1 by 2 root 1 plus x square. What is the derivative of x square? 2x minus 1 by 2 root 1 minus x plus x square. What is the derivative of this term? Minus 1 plus 2x by what is the derivative of 3 power x? 3 power x log 3. Limit x tends to 0. Apply the formula. Put x equal to 0. 0 by something 0. This term becomes 0. Next. Put x is equal to 0. 0 means minus. Minus into minus plus. 1 by. Put x equal to 0. 2. Total by 3 power 0 1. That is log 3. What is the answer? 1 by 2 log 3. 1 by 2 log 3. 11th one. Most important model, this one. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by root x square. Sin x by root x square. Sin x by root x square. Root x square is nothing but mod x, that is plus or minus x. For example, mod x is equal to x, x is greater than or equal to 0. Mod x is equal to minus x, x is less than 0. For example, limit x tends to 0, sin x by this can be written as mod x. LHL or HL are not equal to. because limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1, same as limit x tends to 0 sin x by minus x is equal to minus 1. Both are not equal. Mod x means plus or minus 1. One time plus, second time limit is not exist, but it is does not exist. It is does not exist. Okay, this is today's class.